What
Not right here.
what drugs do you normally use?
I smoke weed.
Yeah. A little bit of Fetty and crack. Ever meth at all? Meth sometimes too? Okay. I'll talk to her.
I called, yeah.
190.
190.
Send me that priority 16 on Sullivan. I didn't make it to 8A. I'm here on this. Got plugged in.
Okay, copy.
Hey, honey. Hey, honey, what you doing? Hey,
Then,
you're sitting in the middle of the road.
okay.
Do me a favor, get out of the road.
I'm sorry, Daddy. I'm sorry. I fell.
You fell?
Yeah, the trick.
Okay.
Sorry, Daddy.
Here, you can lean against the car if you're having a hard time
Yeah,
standing.
Daddy. I'm sorry.
What are you doing out here?
Cold.
Cold. I understand that.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
It's alright. You got a spot to go?
I love you.
Do you have a place to go? You living out here on the street? You just not slept in a while?
Because there's a reason why I didn't step in a while. Because men, they jack off at the top of me
Okay.
and they put on
That happened like in your... Do you live in a camp with some people? Do you live in like a camp with people or something?
me. No.
No? Okay. What can I do with you today to help you be safe? Do you have a spot you normally stay?
Oh my God, where's my clothes and stuff?
Where's your clothes and stuff? Did you have bags?
Yes.
Are those your bag? Were they in trash bags? Is that them right there? What? Okay. Do you have a spot to take that stuff? What was your plan? You're gonna go downtown?
I still got my bus pass.
Do you have a bus pass too? Okay. I think what you need to do is you need to find a place to go get some sleep. You need to stay off the street. I understand that.
It's so dirty when you do that.
190. I'm gonna have a medic come by and check you out, okay?
Good.
Alright.
I've got her up standing and talking, kind of. But can you start me a medic to check her out? Also 49A.
I copy.
You don't want to lean up against the car? You can stand there? You're alright? Okay. Do you have any medical problems or anything? What kind of medical problems do you have? You said you have... I asked you if you had any medical
Yes, I
problems.
say yes, but I got a lot of medical.
Oh, you do?
Yes, I
Yes.
got, what is
Anything
that
that-
called, MRSA?
Okay. Like an infection?
Yes.
Anything that prevents you from standing?
Yes.
And, okay.
I got bumps all over my head and I
I'm sorry. What
I got a knot right here.
what drugs do you normally use?
I smoke weed.
Yeah. A little bit of Fetty and crack. Ever meth at all? Meth sometimes too? Okay.
Not all the time. I try to do it because I'm really sleep. I don't want to get arrested.
Yeah.
So I'm looking for a place, and my picture is 10 points and red.
When's the last time you used any drugs?
3 days
3 days
ago.
ago? Was that meth? Okay, that explains why you're...
I'm tired.
Yeah, why you're up and tired and having such a hard time. Where do you normally lay down?
I find places.
But you don't have a normal camping place or anything like that? Any friends out here? I know a lot of people will kind of just fall asleep in the trap. Is that what you normally do? No, you stay out of those places?
Yeah, I say.
Mm-hmm. Where's your family at? Are they from around here? What?
My mom and dad's dead.
Uh-huh.
And
Got brothers and sisters, aunts, uncles, cousins, anything like that?
brothers.
Yeah, they were local?
It's Jay. bed. I'm in there kind of, cold.
Yeah. Well, luckily it's kind of warm. It's kind of warm right now. At least it's warmer than it has been.
Yes.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah.
It's going to be nice until I think Friday or Saturday, and that's going to start getting cold again.
Cool.
Have you ever gone down to the shelter and gotten a bed or anything like that?
I guess it's shelter to
Like when it gets really cold, you do?
yeah. They judge me, and so because I sleepwalk, and because I'm gonna sleep, I'm gonna sleep,
Yeah.
and
Well, meth kind of makes you sleepwalk a little bit too, right?
does it?
I think so.
No, because I never done with my life.
Okay. So is that what you do every year? Kind of in the summertime, you kind of come out in the street, and in the wintertime, you go find a bed and shelter? Yeah. How long have you been doing that?
I don't do that stuff. I always at the house.
Oh.
I got evicted because look, the landlord arrested my daughter.
Landlord what?
Arrested my daughter.
Oh. I'm sorry.
And then that was big charges on him, and he ended up kicking his
I already cleared Wayne off. Unless you guys just want to be here, I don't need anything. Yeah.
Hi guys. How are you guys? Thank you, baby.
Yeah, they're just checking, make sure we're safe.
Thank you.
So where was your house at that you were living before you became homeless?
I'm hyper, so I move a lot. Okay?
Oh, okay.
I'm OCD.
Okay. That doesn't make a lot of sense.
Yes.
Where were you living?
I was living
Out here on the hilltop?
I live in downtown. What was you saying about?
I was asking where you were living before
Oh,
you became
yeah.
homeless. Are you getting treated for any mental health issues
Yes. Yes,
right now? Do you have a case manager and everything that you work with? Why aren't they getting you in housing?
They're trying.
They're trying?
I'm trying to get in Vampire apartments.
Okay.
I gotta get into, they're nice.
They are nice.
Yeah, I looked at them already.
It's a nice area down there. That building is pretty new still, and it's not too bad. They have pretty strict rules, though, right?
Yeah.
Like, you get kicked out if you get caught with drugs and stuff.
Yep.
Are you going to go to rehab or anything before you go to the shelter?
Yep.
What's your plan
no, I
for
got
that?
another plan.
Oh, you go to the methadone clinic?
Yes, dear.
But you said you already use crack and heroin and meth, so the methadone clinic isn't really doing you any good.
No, I'm not on a high enough dose. I'm on 60 milligrams.
Okay.
I ain't giving up, so.
But I think you need to actually get clean, make yourself better. Because if you get a free apartment, you're just going to use drugs and lay in your apartment, right?
No, I'm trying to get a partner. I don't used to stay awake, so, and then I won't jack off of it.
Okay.
And then film on me and everything, you know.
Okay. I understand that.
It's just serious.
Well, there's a medic coming by to check you out and make sure that you're healthy, okay? Do you know where you are right now?
Yes.
Where are we?
This is the side. I'm almost on the bottoms. I never mind.
Yeah.
I just want the names.
You were carrying those bags. Where were you planning on taking them?
I'm going to town.
To town?
Downtown.
Downtown? What are you going to do down there?
I might stay down there.
You stay down there? You have a tent down there, or you just hang out
No.
like in the cove and buildings and stuff like that? Okay.
There's more people and you don't have to. You stay awake at night and things like that. And you can safe. People watching you. Nice to people, you know.
Morning. Hey.
Yeah.
Are you on? Do you know her?
Nope.
Okay. She was laying in the road,
Okay.
not responding to people. I got her up. She's just like this.
Okay.
She's been using a lot of drugs and stuff. I just want to make sure she's healthy enough for me to leave her.
Yeah, baby.
You know where you're at right now?
This is my side.
Where you at?
This side on the side. That's
Why don't you step in the back here real quick and take your vitals and all that stuff real fast, alright?
She said that she might have staph or MRSA.
I think that. I think right here, I got bumps all over my head.
You got a big scar back here.
Yeah, I got bumps all over my head.
I wish we could just give people like 800 milligrams of caffeine.
What have you been taking?
I do. That's
Yeah. What's your name?
Amanda.
Amanda what?
Lindy. L-I-N-D-A.
L-I-N-J?
L-I-N-D-A.
L-I-N-D-A?
The L-I-N-D-A.
D-A. Amanda Linda?
Huh?
Is that what you said?
Lindy.
Lynch.
Lindy.
Spell it for me again.
L-I-N-D.
Am I hearing L-I-N-D-A too?
Lindy, like the restaurant maybe?
No, Lindy. L-I-N-D-A.
Do you know your social?
What's your social?
L-I-N-D-A.
What's your date of birth? Spell your last name for me one more time. Amanda.
L-I-N-D-A.
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 No.
D-I-E.
The heck were you getting
Yeah.
at?
L-I-N-D-I-E. I got it that time.
I had surgery on it twice, baby.
Yeah, just learn your words a little bit.
Hey, Lynn, how about we run you over to the hospital and get you checked out, huh? Because you can't even hardly stay awake when we're sitting back here, alright?
I'm just fed up with, I stay up so I don't get molested at night. It's just really bad.
What's that?
I stay up at night so I don't get molested. And it's just really
I understand that, but I don't want you... You probably need some help. You go to the hospital, get some rest and all that stuff, then get you some help, okay?
Heck yeah.
You want to do that?
Yes, take care of my bags, my
Huh?
clothing, my clothes.
Your clothes?
Yes, sir.
Where they at?
In a bag out here?
She's got, I think she's saying those 2 trash bags of hers. Are you willing to take them? I'll go get them for you. Oh, really? I think I'll put them in there. Yeah. I can hop in the car and verify her identity for you real quick if you need it. Perfect. All right, I'll be right back. Yeah, Amanda Rose Lindy. Was her address? You guys don't need that stuff.
Cool.
Do you want me to come down or anything?
Unless you want something you got for us.
I don't want anything to do with it.
Sounds good.
Thank you.